Hey YouTube, Axum here, and I am going to show you how to make a stinger transition in After Effects. Now people ask me what is a stinger transition, and the best way I can describe it is it's a short 2 to 5 second video that plays over your stream while you're changing scenes to give it a little bit more personality. And today I'm going to walk you through how I made my Rick and Morty portal stinger transition that looks like this. Alright, so now we're in After Effects, and we're going to do a new composition, and this one is a 2-second stinger, and we're going to call it Test Stinger. And you can set all of your settings accordingly to what you need. And then click OK. Now, the very first thing I need to mention before you get started is that this is a very, very demanding program, and it helps to have this setting at either third or half. I keep it at third because I find I have the best results with that. The next thing we need to do is get our media. I'm gonna drag and drop my portal GIF that I have, because it already spins, so I don't need to worry about actually animating the image to rotate. It already does it. So we're gonna drag and drop it here. Boom. And then make sure it's in right click, transform, center, make sure it's centered. And we're gonna set it at transform. We're gonna do a scale at about, I like it at 15% for this one. And okay. Now, we need to click on this arrow right here. Click on that arrow right there. And we are going to click the stopwatch on scale. That'll make a keyframe to that position. Now, at 1 second is the halfway point. So this is where you would want it to be completely covering the screen. Now, I want it to be delayed for a few frames, so I'm going to go back 50 frames, back 10 frames from middle, and then I'm going to stretch this out to cover the whole screen. And then it created a keyframe there. And then 10 frames from center as well. So to add another keyframe here at this position, click on the little diamond over here. And then drag yourself all the way to the end of your clip. And then you're going to want to scale this, right click, transform, scale. And we want to go back to our original 15%. And okay. And now we got ourselves a stinger that comes all the way up and all the way down. Pretty cool. Now, something that I've noticed about After Effects, at least with my computer, is that when you're dragging the time cursor around, it kind of makes the image clearer. So once this bar is totally green across, you'll have a completely clear image. And that's all you do. Now, to create it. Now, to export it, you go to File, Export, Add to Render Queue. And you have to click on where it says Lossless. Go up to Video Output. Click down on that menu and make sure you click RGB and Alpha. And when you're ready to output it, click OK. I'm not going to actually render it because I already have this file. This was for educational purposes. Now, something else that I would recommend doing is taking this file and converting it into a WebM file, because After Effects makes it a huge AVI file. So whatever method you prefer to convert, do it. make it a WebM file, and it'll make your life so much easier. And also, thank you for watching. Do all the stuff that YouTubers ask you to do with the thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you think. And I also stream on Twitch on Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 7 p.m. Link is down in the description. And I hope all you guys have a great day. Peace off.